Over the past few months, we've been working really hard to bring you the latest and greatest technology you would have ever seen. Give AI its own computer. Our AI, named Kira, is able to see and control computers the way humans do, for use cases like business applications, SAP or Odoo, extracting data from any kind of dashboard applications, sending LinkedIn messages, reading LinkedIn messages, sending WhatsApp and understanding WhatsApp, reading PDF, any kind of things that can be done on a piece of a computer. Alright, enough talking. Let's see some demo. Everything you see here is completely controlled by Kira AI. Every click, every keyboard type, Kira is able to navigate through the complexity of business software. Kira is also able to use Gmail, read any emails from your colleagues, understand that data, and also if there is a new file, also download that data and read that data. These information will be stored in memory and later on will be used to fill in any forms or any kind of action. This is a demonstration that Kira is able to understand data from anywhere and use that data for any kind of actions for any purpose. Now the resulting PDF right now is being sent to your colleague via WhatsApp. So Kira is able to use WhatsApp just like how humans do. Now, as a businessman, you would also love getting summary of your business. Normally it comes from a dashboard, you have to click it, you have to open it, you have to understand it. Well, now Kira can do all of it for you. Kira will summarize the dashboard and send it via WhatsApp personally to you. Now, any kind of task can be scheduled. It can be daily, weekly, or any kind of frequency that you'd like. Are you interested? Kira is completely ready for you to order. We'll set it up in your system within weeks. Having experience in GDPR law for many years, we completely respect your privacy. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us and let's get this started. Kira.id/contact